Sometimes I'm surrounded by so much beauty. My heart can't take it. There is something right there. That is a turtle moving underneath the reeds. Oh, look at the turtle. Oh, it's beautiful. Turtles are so beautiful. I'm trying to catch the beauty of nature, but they're moving too fast for me. And oh my gosh, are those hornets' nests? I'm so glad no one's home. That would make this little outing very unpleasant. But it's so nice here. I wanna stay here all day when I'm losing myself in my imagination. I'm pretending I am the captain of this vessel, and I am full sail ahead to the beautifulness of nothing. I'm going to Narnia. Yeah, Narnia. I'm going to marry the Lion King. Yeah. But yes, I am totally enjoying this beautiful, beautiful day. See how gorgeous it is over here. I love it. I love being on the water. I love this illusion. I'm on a platform. It's like really nice, beautiful platform, right? And when you're standing on the platform over the water, it gives you the illusion like you're moving. And I love it. I love being on the water. This is my new favorite spot. This is my absolutely new favorite spot. I love it here. It's beautiful. It's quiet. I can come and commune with nature and tap into the natural energy of life and just settle my spirit. And even though I don't think I'm doing what I should be doing with my life, despite the choices that I've made, the good and bad that have come together to make me who I am, there's a song that says, "You're exactly where you're supposed to be." And for all intents and purposes, yes, I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be. But at the same time, I don't feel like I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing. So I had to get away and find a spot just for me to quietly reflect and enjoy this beautiful day. You know, things will never ever be. I have to accept that things are never going to be perfectly exactly the way I want them, and I've been, I guess, acting like a spoiled child about it. You know, stomping my feet and ranting and raving because I'm not getting my way. But I need to tell myself sometimes it's okay not to get your way, especially if not getting your way is going to make you grow and mature. So I am going, and I did want to spend this time. I wanted to set up my camera and just do like video journals and just reflect upon myself, and so I can watch the videos later and learn more about myself and expose more about myself. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to freaking enjoy this beautiful, beautiful view and enjoy my commune with nature. This guy was walking by. He was like, "Why is she talking to herself?" Because I'm crazy. I'm loony.